The second design overturned again. I don't want to come a third time. You can only throw a tail like this, but this will kill my obsessive-compulsive disorder. So I designed him a back cover. Let's witness together what true design is. She can do magic, right? I can't help myself and don't know how to stop at the precipice. Let me feel it. This love-hate gap. Love is a brilliant firework. Regret is a flash in the pan. The clouds are floating, floating. The boat is shaking, shaking. Please take me to a distant place to see her smile again. Now I'm helpless and lost my warm embrace. I suffer every day you leave. Right. Adjustable power supply here, and we're done. After some experience, this is the best adjustable power supply I've ever used. Screen firmware and shell files. It will be packaged and shared on the company's website. Are you excited?